If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow this guide to get your game running smoothly again. Step 1. Check for updates. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can often fix bugs that cause loading issues. Step 2. Clear cache files. Locate the Sims 4 cache files on your computer. These files can become corrupted over time. Delete the cache files by navigating to Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 4 and deleting the cache folder. Restart the game to see if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Disable mods and custom content. If you are using mods or custom content, they may be causing the loading screen issue. Temporarily disable them by moving the mods folder out of the Sims 4 directory. Launch the game without mods to check if it loads properly. Step 4. Repair the game. Use the game launcher to repair The Sims 4. Right-click on the game in your library and select Repair. This process will fix any corrupted game files that may be causing the loading screen to hang. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. Sometimes high settings can cause performance issues, especially on lower-end systems. Reducing the graphics quality can help the game load more efficiently. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider seeking help from community forums or support for further assistance. Happy gaming!